Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at first build of Lineage OS 18.0 which is based on Android 11. Right now it's only available for OnePlus 6T. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 6T on which I have already installed the Lineage OS 18.0 which is based on Android 11. Talking about the software information by going inside the About section under Android version, and here you can see Android version is Android 11, Lineage OS version is 18.0 which is an unofficial build which comes with 5th September 2020 security patch. All the download links of this ROM can be found in the description below. So this is going to be the first look of your ROM which is Lineage OS. You get this nice blurry effect on Android 11 whenever you scroll down your notification panel. This is a quick setting panel which consists of lot of things like ambient display, dark mode, live caption, volume panels and screen recorder. When you switch to dark theme, the complete system UI adapts to the same theme, and dark theme on custom ROMs is completely pitch black. It's not something grayish what we get it on Oxygen OS. You get these basic applications once you install Lineage OS like audio effects, USB camera and a music player application. One bug what you'll notice after you install this ROM is the Jio SIM card doesn't work right now. So as I have already inserted my Jio SIM card and I am not able to make calls. I've also tested Airtel SIM card. On that calling works, but you need to change few settings from network and internet. From here you need to make changes in the preferred network type and you need to select global. By this way you'll be able to make calls. Other services like alert slider, fast charging works great. Also haven't noticed any kind of issues with the sensors like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. As you all guys know that Lineage OS doesn't come with much of customization options. So you won't have any dedicated section for customizing your device. Inside settings, network and internet works fine. Both the Wi-Fi's have no issues, 2 GHz and 5 GHz. I also tested Bluetooth and I did not find any kind of issues pairing it with my OnePlus Wireless Bullet Z. Screen off gestures like double tap to wake, tapping on the status bar to sleep works fine. Under security and lock screen we only have fingerprint option. Face unlock option is still not been added. And also I did not notice any kind of delay with the fingerprint unlock. Adaptive brightness have no issues. After that we have all the basic stuff. Adaptive brightness have no issues. Screen recorder also works great, but we don't have option to change the screen recording resolution. And at last when you go inside the system, here you'll have few options to customize your device. Like basic options to customize your buttons, which includes navigation bar, power button and volume buttons. Then under status bar, you can also change the position of clock and few other settings related to battery indicator and brightness. And at last we have few gestures options which include off-screen gestures, and off-screen gestures works great. Then you have option to quickly open camera and system navigation, which includes only 3-button navigation and full screen gestures. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 485 and multi-core have scored 1978. And with the Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 3,55,363. So guys, if you are interested in installing Lineage OS 18.0, then all the download links are given in the description below, and now you can follow the installation guide. Before installing Lineage OS 18.0, make sure you're running latest version of Oxygen OS, and also make sure to install the latest version of TWRP recovery, which is 3.4. If you guys are not aware about installing TWRP recovery, you can find the video guide in the description below. After that, go to install. First you need to flash Lineage OS 18.0, and this ROM doesn't come with Google App package, so we need to manually flash Google Apps. So first let's flash Lineage OS 18.0, confirm to flash. Once ROM is flashed successfully, make sure to flash TWRP zip installer to avoid replacing of TWRP recovery. So I have to confirm flash. Once TWRP zip installer is flashed successfully, now we need to reboot a device back to recovery to install Google App package. Once you are back into TWRP recovery, go to install, and now you can flash the Google App package. Once done, you can reboot your device. And here we go. We have successfully installed Lineage OS on our OnePlus 60. So guys, this was the quick look on Lineage OS 18.0, which is based on Android 11. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.